Hi. Today we will create letter B logo design. First, create a line and duplicate it 5 times. Select all lines and rotate it by 90 degrees. Copy one more line horizontally. You can see my smart guides are on. It shows me constant gap between lines. Note that you have to create 5 column lines and 6 row lines. Press L to pick ellipse tool and create a circle like this. Align it with the middle line. Create another circle like this. Copy it and place it on the bottom. Right-click and scale it by 50% and click on Copy.
Make 2 more copies and place them on these spots.
Select all and press Shift-M to pick Shape Builder tool. Now follow me on these. Just click and drag mouse to build shape. Hold Alt-click and drag to remove unwanted areas. Hold Alt-click and drag to remove unwanted areas. Let's set up color and gradient panels. We will need this Color tab, Swatches tab and Gradient tab. Attach them together. In this first sample I will apply Grayscale Gradient. Now just select any shape and click on the Gradient panel to apply default Grayscale Gradient. You can change color anytime. Just drag from the Swatches panel. Select another shape and apply Gradient. Select the circle and apply cyan color. Similarly to the other circle. If gradient is applied, apply it to any shape and select it. Just press G to pick Gradient tool. Click and drag to adjust gradient. Now make copy of this shape. We will apply other gradients. Make circles white. And white, cyan and dark blue gradient on the left side shape. Always use Gradient tool to adjust gradient. Apply dark blue and cyan gradient on the right side. Adjust it with Gradient tool until your desired color combination. That's it. Hope you enjoyed. Consider subscribing to my channel.